One critical process that enhances both is chamfering, the beveling of steel bars' corners. This step is particularly vital before the bars enter the bar straightening machine. Why chamfering is essential before straightening is designed to improve the straightness of steel bars, which is essential for their subsequent use in construction and manufacturing. Chamfering the edges of these bars before they enter the machine is crucial for several reasons: protecting the machinery. Chamfered corners prevent the sharp edges of steel bars from damaging the rollers. Without chamfering, the abrasive edges can cause significant wear and tear on the rollers, leading to costly repairs and downtime, ensuring product quality. Conclusion: incorporating chamfering into the manufacturing process extends the lifespan of straightening machinery and ensures that the steel bars meet the rigorous quality standards required for structural applications.